Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a group chat in Character AI. Let's dive right in. First of all, open your Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. This makes the whole process easier and faster. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to the chat section, and this is how the chat section look like. Now on the screen, you can see an option for a create with a plus icon, which is in bottom left. It is over here. Tap on it. That will open you several options. Over there, you can see an option for group chat as a second option. Tap on it, which will ultimately take you to the section where you can create a group. Now add the characters in your group. You can preferably add the characters that you like most and want to have conversation or interaction at once. Let me choose two of them for now, Cupid and Amila. And above the add character section, you can see a name of group chat. You can edit the group name by simply tapping on this pencil icon. It's over here. Tap on it. Now name your group. Tap on it. Cancel the older name. Let's keep it People's over here. Once you are done, tap on save. And after everything looks good, tap on a create group account. And tada, you have successfully created a group chat in Character AI. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.